is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this flower-like decoration. It's very beautiful. It doesn't take time to make. To make this, you need some stuffing, ribbon, fabric, 2 colors of fabric. I'm using green and this one, striped one, pink striped one, some beads, thread and needle. Take 2 fabric, 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and here right sides facing. This is the right side, this is the right side. Put here and sew here right round. Okay, it's done. Right end here, cut the corners like that. And snip. Make sure that you do not cut the stitching here. So it's done like that. We do this so that we have smooth edges. Turn it right round and here. Make sure that you are not cutting into 2 and then do this. Okay, and cut. Small hole like that. Turn it inside out from this here. You can use anything sharp to make sure that the corners are coming out. Go ahead and press. Use a lid. I'm using a lid for the bottle. Any lid is okay. The one that I'm using is 10 centimeters in diameter, 10 centimeters. So go ahead and do this. Draw. Okay, so here, do a loose stitch at the beginning. Take it from behind like that. At the beginning here, make sure that it's tight so that it won't come out. So do it 2 or 3 times. Okay, it's strong now. So now do a running stitch following this line like this. Okay, it's done, so go ahead and pull like that. This is so much fun. Do it gently so that the thread doesn't break. It's done. So now take your stuffing and insert. Okay, it's done. So now pull again like that. Like that. Okay, it's done. So now take your needle and thread and here like that. Like that. And take this thread and tie right round like that. Like that. Pulling and tying, pulling and tying. Okay, it's done, and then secure the thread. Just find somewhere and do this. Take your thread and roll it. 1, 2, 3, and tie. Okay, it's done. So now give it a shape like that. Okay, so take your ribbon do this about this size, cut, okay, and tie. It up, use the glue gun so that it can look very nice like this. So take your glue gun and do this. Okay, it's done. To finish it up, use some decorations, some marbles. You can find these in dollar stores. So take one glue gun here and ta-da! Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. It helps me grow my channel. Thank you.